My doorbell camera caught my wife cheating. I installed a doorbell camera because of package thieves. It caught my wife instead. One Tuesday at work, I got a motion alert. It wasn't a delivery. It was my wife home when she said she was at yoga. A man walked up. She smiled in a way I hadn't seen in years. No rushing. No fear. Like this was normal. Over the next 2 weeks, I checked the footage. Same man, same days, always when I was gone. She never checked the camera. Then one night, they argued on the porch. She pointed at her wedding ring. He laughed and walked away. That same night, I found an email from her account. Question about divorce process. 3 days later, she said, "We need to talk." I said, "About the man who's been here every Tuesday and Friday?" She didn't say sorry. She said, "You weren't supposed to see that."